Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade your plan or how to upgrade your subscription in ChatGPT. So if you want to upgrade your plan, or currently you want to upgrade your subscription just for better and a quick more access to ChatGPT service, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your browser. Then you can use the top search to search for the ChatGPT website through chatgpt.com, or you can simply go to openai.com. Then this also take you back to the ChatGPT website. So once you are already logged into your account on ChatGPT website, then tap on the two-dot icon at the left top corner. Once you do that, then click on the upgrade plan, and that is where you can see the available plan that is offered in ChatGPT. And also you can see the current plan. The current plan will definitely appear at the top, which is your current plan, then the list of the services that is attached to the plan. Then from there you can gain access to that. And also the next in line is the popular. So we have the plus plan, plus, which is the most popular plan, and you pay nothing less than $20 per month for you to gain access to this plan. And from here you have, if everything is free, extended limit on messages, file, video, advanced data analysis, and a lot more like that. Then we have the pro version, which is $200 per month, and this also comes with a bunch of tools that you can use. Then we have this as well, which is the team plan. Then you pay about $25 per month, and a lot more like that. So if you want to upgrade for any plan, just tap on get. All right, so okay, let me start again. Plan. So if you want to get any plan, so maybe I want to get this, which is the plus popular, then tap on get plan, get plus. Then this will try and verify the page for you, where you can simply make your payment. So you can see that's good. So if you want to get this, you have to pay the amount of money, which is $20 US. Then my email, then you input your card number, then the month and the year, the CVC number, then your full names, the card name and the full name on the card, then your billing address. You set all these things, then you apply your phone number. You also had your postcard, your postal code, and everything. Once everything is set in the right proportion, then you can just click on this confirm. Make sure you check these two buttons. Check these two buttons, or probably you check this, which is you accept for the all the terms and conditions. Then you click on subscribe, and that's how to upgrade plan or subscription in ChatGPT. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.